The designs of the gardens on the land are oriented to support bringing spirit into the physical realm. SpiritWorks is a holistic healing sanctuary located 30 miles outside of Glacier National Park in Whitefish, Montana, comprised of 3 integrated components: a retreat center immersed in nature that cultivates deep connections, a holistic health clinic focused on treating the root cause, and a medicinal herb farm where we grow over 150 highly potent medicinal herbs. These elements work together to cultivate the most vibrant expression of one's spirit.